Mr. Wood. Come on, buddy. What? Hi. I know. I know. Let's keep you separated. He's very handsome. He's not sure what he's doing, but you know. Like the new kid in school. Yeah, he's like the new kid. He's like the new kid. He doesn't know where to sit at the lunch table. He doesn't. What are you doing, giant kitty? He's getting his ass kicked by a chicken. Mean chicken. Younger likes him though. Yeah, you're a perfect rooster. Just run away. Just run away. Oh, buddy. I know. I know. You told that rooster, didn't you? Yeah. I know. But he's a nice rooster. You can be nice to him. Hi, mister. Hi, mister. Hi. What are you doing? You going in? Okay. Are you flirting with Corona? Are you flirting with Corona? There's your girlfriend. 3, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We rearranged some things and we moved. Yeah, we moved Corona. We moved Corona. She should be over with the chickies. Yeah. And look, Mister. He's roosting. Yeah, he's a good boy.